Hello, let me show you a few tips how you can fix Bluetooth connection problems on the Samsung Z Fold 8. So first of all, you will have to go for the settings. Right now I can recommend you to scroll all the way down, go into the general management, move for a reset option and try to perform the reset of the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, there's no way to only reset Bluetooth. It's gonna also reset the Wi-Fi. It means that you will have to basically connect with all of those networks one more time. But often this simple method, the simple reset, allows you to fix all of those connection problems. But if it is not working, let's go for the connections right now. Go for the Bluetooth, and let's say you've got unstable connection on you or you cannot connect your device. So first of all, switch off Bluetooth on your Samsung. Now, you will have to grab your Bluetooth device. Like in this case, I've got earbuds, but it works like almost the same for any other Bluetooth device. You have to just make sure that you charge your device for at least like 20 or 30% and try to enter for the pairing mode manually, or if the pairing mode is not working for some reason, you can try to perform a reset of this device. So in this case, I have to just open both, I have to place both earbuds inside the case, open this cover, and now I have to click and hold this button until this small indicator starts blinking. So it actually depends on the device that you have. I cannot exactly show you on every possible device, but as you can see right now, for me, even though that the Bluetooth is turned off, I can already see my device. Now just turn on Bluetooth, and if you were previously connected with this device, just make sure that you are gonna completely remove it, and now try to scan manually for nearby devices. Select your device and click pair. But what if it is still not working? Well, some devices you have to actually connect in a different way. So the problem I've got with this JBL speaker, that it wasn't actually working with my Bluetooth settings. I have to actually add it through the application. So you have to check if your device doesn't actually have the brand application. Like for this JBL speaker, I have to get the JBL portable application, add it through the application, and then I was actually able to connect by using a standard Bluetooth settings. So it's quite simple, but I want to mention this one. And what you can also try to do, well, by going here for the upper corner in the Bluetooth settings, you can find the advanced settings, and you can check maybe the device is blocked for a pairing request for some reason. Sometimes, you know, the different problems appears with the different devices. So if your device is listed here, make sure that you are gonna remove it from the list. But you can also try to turn off the music share, because music share sometimes also, you know, interfere some problems. And also, if it is not working, you can try to update software of your device. Over here, click to check for updates, and if available, you will have to just simply click to restart, download, and then restart to let your phone install it. You can also try the simple reboot of your device, because the problem sometimes appears not with your Bluetooth device, but for example with your phone. So you have to go here and click restart. After this simple method, often you can start using your device. So this is all for this video. Let me know if it was useful for you.